All right, welcome back to another video. My name is SisterLocks and I go by SisterLocks on all of my social media platforms, so go ahead and pick your favorite one and follow me on there. Today we're going to be diving into some truth or dare energy. This rock is going to be for the truth and this rock is going to be for the dare. Go ahead and pick which one you're wanting to play today. Are you willing to face your truth? Are you willing to dare yourself to do some inner work that you may have been neglecting? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the dice. I have one that is for the zodiac signs and then I have one that is numbered. The numbered dice will go ahead and indicate how many times I'll shuffle the cards to go ahead and pull the energy for the truth or the dare. That's pretty much the explanation of what we are doing here today. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, we got Gemini and the number 7, but we've already done Gemini. All right, so we got Sagittarius and we have the number 5. All right, Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration for Sagittarius to face either a truth or a dare. Please allow this message to come through me from love and also pure intentions. Let's go. Let's go. All right, Sagittarius, here's your truth. Here is your dare. All right, so let's see what we have. All right, so let's see. We have the Strength card for your truth. Let me change my battery because battery's about to die. Is it true that you found strength by being your most authentic self and letting your personality be what it is? Is it true that you're accepting peace, love, and life with a great confidence regardless of the final results? Is it true that you're able to face life and whatever difficult problems that you have with an energy of hope and eagerness? Is it true, Sagittarius, that you are experiencing life passionately? All right, so that's your truth, Sagittarius. That's for you to answer on your own time with your own self. Let's go ahead and move on to your dare. All right, so for your dare card, we have the Magician. All right. So basically, okay, all right. All right, so basically, Sagittarius, I dare you to manifest whatever it is that you've been trying to manifest. I dare you to use the concentration powers and the actions and the resourcefulness that you know you have and that's available to manifest whatever it is that you've been trying to manifest. I dare you to I dare you to allow the heavens to help you with this manifestation. I dare you to use the power of your intentions to manifest, Sagittarius. I dare you to believe that you have the ability to live a magical life. Sagittarius, I dare you to direct your energy and to focus it into the right places and things. All right, Sagittarius, so that was your truth or dare. I hope this message encouraged you in some type of way. If it did, be sure to go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss your next message. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.